Morning guys, this is OG Farms. As you can see, this morning I'm going to teach you how to use the goat ear tag applicator. How to use it. So this is how it is. As you can see, your animal is ready. So you press the tag holder. This is the tag. You put it here and hold it like this. It's firm, as you can see. It's very firm. So you put the pin tag on top of the applicator pin like this. So you just watch the ear. You see, there are some main veins here. Those main veins, you don't have to hit on the main vein. It should be in the middle of the flesh, not on the vein. So this is how we do it, and it's very painful. So unless you do it once, it's very painful, guys. As you can see, our goat is numbered. It's it, as I told you, just like this. We are done, guys. So, like I said, you don't target the vein. You target in between the vein like that. So it's very hard. It's very painful. So we do it again like this. So we do it again this time around. This is how it is. You put the ear tag here, so it will lock. As you can see, it's locked. Then you put the pin, the tag pin, on top of the needle like this. There's a hole here. You put it here like this. So we go. And like I said, there's a whole flesh here. You don't have to target the vein. This vein, avoid the vein. You only hit it in between the veins. So we go, and it's very painful. So you have to do it one time, then you release. It's very painful. Okay. Very painful, like I said. Like I said, you open the applicator holder, you put in your tag, then you insert your pin. There's a hole there on top. So we go. So this is the ear. As you can see, I showed you. You don't hit these lines. These are veins. You don't hit the line like that. These are veins. Purely veins. So we hit in between. That's here. So it's painful. It's painful. It's very painful. So you have to do it once. Then you release. So let's go. This is it. Put our locking chain. Put our locking chain like this. Yeah, that locking. So like I said, this is it. So we're doing number 14 phone. So open your tag holder, put in your tag like this. Then you insert your pin on top of this one like this. So we go. Here. Not the vein, but in between the veins. So let's go. That's how we do it. This is the ear tag applicator. After using, you have to lock on top of here and then press it. So we are done. Thank you.